Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie with chia seeds. Start by choosing your base liquid, fruits, and the chia amount, then decide if you want soaked or blended chia. Measure 1 tablespoon chia per 8 ounces of liquid, add fruit, yogurt, or milk for creaminess, and sweeten lightly if desired. Blend for 30 to 60 seconds for a silky result, or soak chia for 10 to 15 minutes for a thicker texture. Choose fresh or frozen fruit that blends well, like berries, mango, or banana, and a creamy element such as yogurt or plant milk. Add 1 tablespoon chia per 8 ounces liquid, and consider a spoonful of nut butter or a quarter avocado for extra richness. For flavor boosts, include a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon, and sweeten with honey or maple syrup only if needed. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for keeping recipe books, grocery lists, and meal plans handy wherever you go, and it makes reading while you prep so easy. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, grab one if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Prep matters. Soak chia in your chosen liquid for at least 10 minutes if you want a thicker result, or add chia directly to the blender if you prefer tiny seeds throughout. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds for smoothness, and check texture before serving. Thin with extra liquid or ice, or thicken by resting the mixture for a few minutes. Taste and tweak sweetness and seasoning at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.